Now see question number 11. Integral cos raised to 4 2x dx. 7.3 exercise 7.3 11th one integral cos raised to 4 2x dx. See yesterday we did integral sin raised to 4x dx. We did sin raised to 4x, integral of sin raised to 4x dx. So same method we are using here also. So here see only difference. See we know which formula we are using here. We write this integral as integral sin square x whole square, and we use the formula. Which formula we use for sin square x? What is sin square x? Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. So for sin square x we are using 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. See here, instead of sin raised to 4x, here it is cos raised to 4. So for sin square x we use this formula, and for cos square x which formula we are using? Cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2. So for sin square x 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. So cos square x 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2. So say here in the case of sin raised to 4x we write sin square x whole square. Then we use the formula sin square x 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Then write whole square, and we expanded using a minus b whole square. Then we have to integrate. Yesterday we did the method. Same method you have to do here. Here first apply the formula cos square x. Here we write cos square 2x whole square. So cos square 2x, what is cos square 2x? See here only, that's the difference here. Cos square x 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2. So what is cos square 2x? 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Only that make the angle. So same method we have to use. So here first write cos square 2x whole square. Then for cos square 2x substitute 1 plus cos 4x whole divided by 2. Then whole square you have to write a plus b whole square. So expand using the identity, and again one more time you have to use the formula cos square x formula, that formula. Yesterday we did the same method sin raised to 4x. Same method you have to use, only the angle difference. Cos square x instead of cos square x, cos square 2x. Like that angle you have to adjust. Remaining part same thing, same. So you have to do that. Next 12. Integral sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x whole dx. Integral 12th one, integral sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. So what we have to, how to do that? Integral sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. See sin square x by 1 plus cos x. See here we know what is sin square x, that is same as 1 minus cos square x. So we can use that formula. Integral 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So use that formula. Instead of sin square x, write 1 minus cos square x. That is equal to integral. See, 1 minus cos square x is 1 square minus cos square x. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So what is 1 square minus cos square x? A plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. So apply that formula here. 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So we can cancel 1 plus cos x, we can cancel. So what is remaining? Integral 1 minus cos x dx. That is integral 1 minus cos x dx. That is equal to, then now we can integrate. What is integral of 1? X minus, what is integral of cos x? Sin x plus c. So that is answer. So like that we can use the trigonometric identities, we can use wherever required. Now 13th one, integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So here, how to integrate this? Cos 2x, all these are very important questions. All are important questions. So that a method, which method we have to use, that we should get. That is the problem. So here, so cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. What we can do? See here, we can apply the identity cos 2x, formula for cos 2x and sin 2x, tan 2x. We have studied the formula. So for cos 2x, many formula we have studied. So we can use the formula for cos 2x. 2 cos square x minus 1 we can use the formula cos 2x. This formula we can use. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So what is cos 2 alpha? So for cos 2x we wrote 2 cos square x minus 1. Then minus, after minus, bracket. What is cos 2 alpha? Instead of x substitute alpha. So cos 2 alpha equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So integral. So cos 2x we write 2 cos square x minus 1. Then this minus. Then bracket, because there are two terms. So we have to put the bracket. Cos 2 alpha, 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So we are using the formula cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2 alpha equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Now see, simplify that. Integral 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus into minus plus 1 whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now see, minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. What is remaining? So that is equal to, see, in the remaining two terms, two common factor. So integral 2 into cos square x minus cos square alpha. Cos square x minus cos square alpha dx. Divided by, what is the denominator? Cos x minus cos alpha. So we got 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square alpha. From that take 2 common. 2 into cos square x minus cos square alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. This 2 we can take outside. So 2 into integral. What is a square minus b square? Cos square x, cos x whole square. Cos square alpha means cos alpha whole square. So it is in the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Substitute that formula. So cos x a plus b into a minus b. Cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha. Divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So cancel cos x minus cos alpha. So in the denominator there is cos x minus cos alpha. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So cos x minus cos alpha cancel. What is remaining? Cos x plus cos alpha. That is equal to. Now directly we can find the integral. What is the integral of cos x? Only two terms. Cos x plus cos alpha dx. What is the integral of cos x? Sin x. So bracket, 2 bracket. Integral of cos x sin x plus. What is the integral of cos alpha? See, remember cos alpha is only a constant. So what is the integral of cos alpha? What is the integral of 5? 5 into integral 1 dx. That is 5x. So what is the integral of cos alpha? Cos alpha is only a constant. So cos alpha into integral 1 dx. What is integral 1? X. So we have to write the integral cos alpha into x. So cos alpha into, remember that cos alpha is a constant. So cos alpha into integral 1 dx. That is x. So cos alpha into x plus c. So that is the answer. 2 into sin x plus x cos alpha or cos alpha into x plus c. So that's the answer. Now 14th one, integral cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. That is equal to integral. See here we are using, we know what is 1. 1 can be written as cos square x plus sin square x or sin square x plus cos square x. That we can use. So use that formula here, 1 instead of 1, write that. So cos x minus sin x whole divided by cos square x plus sin square x. So instead of 1 we write cos square x plus sin square x plus, what is sin 2x formula? 2 sin x cos x. So for 1 we write cos square x plus sin square x. Sin 2x we write 2 sin x cos x. Now dx. That is equal to integral cos x minus sin x divided by, what is this actually? Cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x. That is nothing but cos x plus sin x whole square. That is cos x plus sin x whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now see here, do you remember what's the derivative of cos x plus sin x? We have used this. What's the derivative of cos x plus sin x? Derivative sin x cos x plus derivative cos x minus sin x. So derivative of cos x plus sin x is cos x minus sin x. So how we can integrate that? To find the integral of this, we know the derivative of this thing is this one, but whole square is there. So don't write log. So what should be taken? U. Cos x plus sin x is equal to u. What's the derivative cos x minus sin x plus derivative sin x cos x. So cos x minus sin x dx is equal to d. So cos x minus sin x dx du. So how we can write this integral? This is equal to integral cos x minus sin x dx du. So numerator is du. So 1 by, what is denominator? This is u. Cos x plus sin x u. So u square. Then cos x minus sin x dx d. So what is integral of 1 by u square? Integral u raised to minus 2 du. That is equal to what? That is equal to u raised to minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. That is equal to minus 1 by u plus c. That is equal to minus 1 by, what is u? U is cos x plus sin x plus c. So that's the answer. 1 minus 1 by u plus c. Okay.